If we go to the Tabi'in, then Ibn Sirin said that the first person to do Qiyaas was the first thing, creation to do Qiyaas, is Iblis. This is Ibn Sirin, Tabi', before Dawood. He said Iblis is the first to do Qiyas. Qiyas is this. How he did Qiyas? He said, I am better than Adam. So he looked at himself, compared it to, this is Qiyas, is comparison. If this is haram, this is more likely to be haram.
It's authentic statement, Ibn Sirin.
Yes. So Ibn Sirin said, Iblis is the first who did Qiyas. The Sha'bi said, the religion is not made by Qiyas. Sha'bi said, if these people, he was talking about people of Kufa who use opinion a lot in the religion and Qiyas. He said, they made the mosque for me a worse place than the toilet, because of the Qiyas they talk about every time in the mosque. This is what Sha'bi said. And if, yes, Sha'bi is Amir ibn Shurahil, one of the Imams of the Tabi'in from the Kufa.
Was he Abu Hanifa teacher?
He was considered to be Abu Hanifa teacher. He was was born in Kufa. He remembers something from Ali ibn Abi Talib. He saw Ali ibn Abi Talib. So he's not from the biggest of the Tabi'in, but you can say from the big Tabi'in. Yeah, and he is trustworthy unanimously. And his hadith, he saw many hadith, and his hadith is in any book of fiqh, of hadith. His name, you will find it in any book of fiqh or hadith. That's so famous. Abu Hanifa himself, from Kufa, he said the Qiyas, the hadith da'if. Hadith da'if is better than Qiyas. Now Qiyas, hadith da'if is not considered from religion. If Qiyas was religion, then something that is not from religion shouldn't be better than religion. Abu Hanifa said Qiyas, hadith da'if is better than religion. What did Shafi'i say? Shafi'i says about Qiyas, when he comes to Qiyas, he says Qiyas is like tayammum for someone who doesn't have water. Like time of necessity, sometimes some people might need to do Qiyas, not to make up religion, to solve a problem, an issue, temporary issue, like is not cure, is not a final decision. I'll give you an example now. Now, a judge who is somewhere where there is not a lot of knowledge, he is a Muslim, and he doesn't know the issue about solving a problem. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in Quran that 3 girls or more, if someone dies and he has 3 girls, they must take 2/3 of the property. If it's 1, she will take half of the property. Now, 2, according to many, they didn't see that 2 are mentioned in this ayah. So they said more than 3 or more, they will take 2/3. 1 will take half. What about 2? We don't know it. They said we don't know it. It is in Quran, but they couldn't see it. Some people couldn't see it. And then a judge, now someone comes to a judge. 2 girls come to the judge where their mother and the wife of their brother, the wife of their father, to take the inheritance. How much are they going to take from the inheritance? He will say, okay, I don't know what to give you. So is it going to leave this problem unsolved? He has to do something about it. He can talk to them, listen, I don't know much about this subject. I know that Allah has given the girl half and the 2 girls 2 halves. Probably your share will be in between the 2/3 and half. Probably, I am not sure about this, but I have to solve this problem anyway. I hope that you forgive me if I have done any mistake. I will solve it just based on my opinion or my qiyas. But that will not be a final decision. Just I'm trying to solve this problem. This is not religion. It shouldn't be like my decision will be like a temporary solution. So that is what Shafi'i was saying. That is like tayammum for someone who doesn't have water. When you don't have water, other people do have water. Because the water here is the hadith. And he is saying the tayammum is the qiyas. But if you don't have the hadith, other people know it. If you looked at the hadith and you don't understand it, other people may understand it. So this is the saying of Shafi'i. What Ahmad bin Hanbal said about qiyas? Ahmad bin Hanbal said, the person who speaks, who read, the person who study fiqh should keep away from qiyas. This is the saying of Ahmad. All these what I've mentioned now are with authentic chain of narrators. Nobody has ever said that these statements are wrong, or so it wasn't Dawood al-Zahiri really who mentioned first, who said denied qiyas at the beginning. And then the other question was the other brother, what he said. He said